Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today you guys are in for a treat. This house here is one of the best deal here in Gastonia. Okay, I'm gonna give you one of the reasons why it's one of the best deal. It is a 6-bedroom home, and for the price is the only one in this town for that same price with the same amount of bedroom. 2.5 story 6-bedroom home. My client was looking at a new construction and this one popping in our search, so we say why not come and take a look. And I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys this house. It is cold out today, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time outside. It's 40 degrees. In North Carolina, 40 degrees for us is crazy. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time outside. I'll turn the camera around and I'm gonna run in and I'll show you this house, okay? It is a great deal. 6-bedroom home, 2.5 story, and for the price, wait till I tell you the price. So come on, let's go in. So before I go in, let's take a look. And let me show you how private the community is real quick. All brick homes, very large homes in a cul-de-sac. The other beautiful thing about this home is it's on a cul-de-sac, so as I just showed you, it is very private. Nobody's here unless they are invited. So come on, let's show you around. As I told you, I'm gonna run into the house because it's too cold out. It is 40 degrees out and I can't stand the cold. So I'm gonna turn my camera around and just show you the house real quick. But another thing I will do is I'm gonna drive around the neighborhood to show you the second reason why I believe this is a great deal, okay? Not only the price, the location. This neighborhood here is almost all homes in this neighborhood are all brick homes, very private, good sized lot, and I mean, you can't beat it. 10 minutes from the highway, I-85. I just got up I-85 exit 22. Everything about this home here, it just make this home a great deal. And at the end, I will tell you the price this home is going for. It's listed below the tax value. That's how good of a price this home is. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you around. I believe the seller, they are moving, so there are some boxes around. So excuse the mess and let's take a look at this property. I closed the door because it's cold, so as you walk in, that's the front door. This is the home. Still had the hardwood floor throughout. Right at the entrance on your left hand side, there's a French door to, I'll call the office space. You can make it a sitting area, a reading room. There is a dining area right next to it, with the little nook on the side here. Let's see here. See that? Has a little nook. We can put a desk. So that's the front door. And then we're going to the living area. Now look how spacious this living room is. That's how big the living room is. Very spacious. Okay. And then from here you have the island. As I mentioned, the seller, I believe they are moving, so they still have some stuff around the house. You have a very large island. I believe that. And then cabinet. I believe these are dark black cabinet. Just look how big this is. Then you have your pantry. Let's go outside real quick. So another thing that I mentioned to you is the location. Not only the location, but the size of the lot here in this community. Okay, I'm about to show you how large these lots are. Okay.